you go.
Yep.
Yep. Good job, boy. And turn around and do this side.
Yep.
Okay, I'll start it off again. Okay. Put your hand back a bit. Yeah, there. Okay. No, doesn't have to be too far.
It's not going to hurt my. It's not going to hurt one hand.
Okay. You bang the nail in. Good boy.
Done.
One more. We've got one more. One more on this side anyway.
That's not a big one.
Oh, just a little one. Good job. A little bit more. That's the way. Good boy. Now we do this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you reckon you'd be like at...
I got a hammer.
What do you reckon you'd be like at putting the glue on?
I'm gonna hammer this glue in like this.
Do you want to use the glue?
Yeah.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You reach. There you go. Stop. Turn it over. Yeah, that's it. Use all the glue. Put it down there. And you put this bit on, like we did on the other side. There you go, well done.
And this side.
Oh, here we go. Bit of glue on you.
There. There's a bit glue on me.
Okay.
You're going.
I'll start the nail off for you again.
No, I'm going to do it myself.
Oh, okay, you're going to start the nail off. And you put one up there. Yep. In a bit, out that way a bit. Yep. No, not too far. In a bit, this way. No, no. It's got to be lining up there. So just about there somewhere. I don't think your little hammer's cutting it. I must have there, boy.
Yeah. See? Like that.
Yeah, like that.
My hammer is really nice and strong, like the big one.
Yeah, okay. You want me to start it off with my big hammer?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do it.
I'll start it off with the big hammer, and you can try it with your red hammer. Okay? You try it now. Yeah, then the red one's heavy enough, boy. You need this metal one. Here you go. That's the way.
See?
Yeah, it's going. Yeah, you hold it up there. You gotta lift it up a bit higher. Okay. And do another one over that side?
Yeah.
Or are you going to do that one first? Okay. Just watch your thumb there, boy.
Oh wait, it's over this side. They do it for me.
Oh, we'll put these ones in and you can see if you can nail them.
I need a special drill.
We'll do the drill one now. Do you want to nail them in or Daddy just nail them in? Now, if we're careful, boy, here you go. We're going to drill. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, keep going. Hold it on. Hold the trigger on. Keep holding it. And keep holding it. Oh, did it run out of battery? Oh, it did too. Okay. Come over here now. Can you do this one? Hold the trigger. There we go. That's the way.
A big blower.
Yep. Okay, now we're going to put that screw in there.
Yep.
And that one in there. So you're going to come and do this. Where?
Yep.
Come and pull the trigger in.
Where?
Yeah.
I got my own screwdriver. This, I need my big screwdriver like those.
Okay.
I got my big screwdriver. See, this screwdriver is one that batteries too.
Now the batteries as well.
We can open it. See, it's stuck.
Do you want to use this big one?
No,
No? How are we going to get these screws in there?
I can't do like this one. See, it's not going round and round and round and round and round.
Oh. Well, that's why you could use this big screwdriver.
No,
Well, how are we going to put these screws in?
I can do this.
Okay.
Big.
Big one. Now, you're going to stand it right up like that. Yep. Get that. Oh, there we go. Just wait until we get in the top. Yep. Yep. And yep. Good boy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Our toolbox is finished. Look, it's finished.
You actually need to put a couple more nails in it there, boy.
Yeah.
A couple more nails just in the bottom.